After a night of grazing on land, these hippos return to spend the daylight hours in the cooling waters, and the barbel come to meet them. Soon, each hippo is trailed by a shoal of fish, waiting for their breakfast. Hippo droppings. But it's not just the hippo's dung the fish are interested in. When the hippos reach one particular spot in the pool, they stand still and wait, and the fish start to clean them, removing ticks and parasites and other tasty morsels. To the fish, the hippos are a mobile cafeteria. The hippos seem to be enjoying the sensation. The only thing that interrupts the feast is the need to take an occasional breath. Cleaning the hippo's skin was just the hors d'oeuvre. Now it's time for the main course. So, in addition to providing skin care, the fish look after the hippo's dental hygiene. It's an arrangement that suits both parties. But perhaps it's the fish that are the overall winners. For thanks to the hippos, they are able to feed on the abundant vegetation that would otherwise be beyond their reach, growing around their pool on land.